How to update your iPad using MacBook. So all you need to do is to grab your iPad and connect it with your MacBook through the cable, and once you are done, open your Finder. On the left we want to find your iPad. If you don't have it here, I got here only my iPhone, but if you don't have it here, you need to go to Finder in your top menu bar and open Settings and scroll down and make sure the CDs, DVDs and iOS devices is enabled. So then you can go back and open your iPad. I don't have an iPad, but it's the same process like with iPhone. So open your iPad and make sure you are in General, and you will find here your software and click on Update. If you click it, you can proceed the installation and update your iPad using your Mac or MacBook. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.